I feel very happy to have made the right choice in choosing Evision TechnoServe Private Limited. Support team is always awesome, and any help they are always available to support. I am definitely going to choose Evision for all my future learnings. I am Rushikesh. I am from Amravati, Maharashtra, and I did my graduation in mechanical engineering from PR Poti College of Engineering, and in 2022. The best thing about the Vision is we can call them anytime, or they will quickly respond to our call, or also is responded by the email quickly. Vision has helped me in learning and enhancing my skills. Instructor has helped me to learn these all tools in a simple and proper guidance, and they give very good knowledge and IT experience as well. Got selected in NEC Corporation India Limited with the package of 2.7 LPA. This internship has taught me the many techniques which is useful to in IT sector. Internship has very informative. The online project or assignment has taught me the technique in much deep. Thank you.